All right, so we've let the glue set up 4 or 5 minutes. We need a nice good pull here. We've got the K-Beam Jr. ready to go. And see this, how it wants to fall in? That's where we're going to take the Slappy and just make up some of that space. The two things that are really important when we set up here is I need to be a straight out pull, and I need this bottom foot to stay on the crowned up area. And we're going to keep an eye on everything, but this is going to be a pretty aggressive pull. The feet are far enough apart that I do have a line of sight through here next to the tab, and I can watch the metal move. So I really like how flat it looks below the tab. We're not getting any buckles or anything crazy above there. I'm going to start to back off a little bit and see if the crown wants to come back or if it's going to stay flat. And I can see the metal, so 3 or 4 turns in, I can already see the metal wanting to jump back down. I'm going to pull a little bit harder. And the tab's getting ready to release.